worship Allah, of who is by worth of praise, light and sunlight for the day. Allah is the only created of all things. We live on earth. We take water and food as we live alive. Finish.
Three.
Today my topic is about Microsoft Windows 7. The computer always come with Windows Pro installing. When you buy a computer, it may have or may not have install Windows in it. On your computer, you have to install Windows. What topic is?
Today my topic is about fax machine. Fax machine can be receive message and send message by a line of a telephone. Fax machine is a very interesting device of our computer, and he can give message, and he can send message to another, and he cannot take a network, only a telephone line, and it is a electronic machine, and it stands for highest forms, and it is a many, and he can take ink, papers, and many things. Thank you. What is the Earth of a Milky Way? The Earth of Milky Way is a galaxy. And write the names of planets: Mars, Earth, Sun, Jupiter, Venus.
Today my topic is about the Holy Quran and my friend. Who live in small house? Shumaila live in small house. Where did the new family come from? New family come from Lahore. What is Fatma short and fair? No, Fatma has talent. What did people call them? People call them bat and ball. Is the Holy Quran blessing and guide for all mankind? Yes, the Holy Quran blessing and guide for all mankind. Where will where we will find the message of Allah? We will find the message of Allah in Holy Quran. Is the is the Holy Quran solution for everything? Yes, the Holy Quran solution for everything. Is the Holy Quran last holy book of Allah? Yes, the Holy Quran last revelated holy book of Allah. Is the Holy Quran solution for everything? Yes, the Holy Quran solution for everything. Thank you.
Three.
Today my topic is about the foundation. He a lifestyle that would help him. This machine, it was this
Three.
simplicity of life and humanitarian vision.
My name is Mother.
Two. Three.
Today is my topic. What shaped Eddie's life? Mother made him Abdul Sattar Eddie, that he become the 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 citizen of Pakistan in 17 years of history.
Under it is your skin color say, and it is placed and
This is my topic, butter and more and butter. But what most it is have to more likable and person clean line or able most have like to the
3.
Today my topic is from Dawn newspaper. Our man from Bermuda. Bermuda is known for its beautiful, beautiful sandy beach and its 300 monsters shipwrecks. Shipwrecks one usually according it's the visuals crickets. Visual cricket, but in the World Cup 2007 played in the Colombia, played in the Caribbean in the Bermuda cricket. Cricket is the opportunity played by
Come on.
big boys. Big boys are played in the Bermuda and cricket and some 2000s they played World Cup is finally round with catch and big boys are already complete this match and today my topic is complete same topic.
1, 2, 3.
Today my topic is same. The team played 3 matches in the first round of the tournament and beats having the defense against 3 Asian cricketing stalwarts India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. But the team had its movement of brilliance. Today topic is end. Thank you.